Are you thinking about moving to Dallas, Texas? We have the house for you right here in Melshire Estates. Come on in, JP and I want to show you what this house has to offer. If you're moving here from California or New York, you're gonna be shocked at the amount of space and the yard that you're gonna get here in Dallas, Texas. For starters, just for starters, 6-car garage, up to 8 parking places just for your cars. You don't have that in California and Texas, but you got it here. We're in Melshire Estates. I can't wait to show you the inside of this home. Absolutely phenomenal. I love doing videos where we get to see it the before and after. I didn't personally get to see the before, but JP did. And JP can't wait to show us something in the master bedroom because you're pretty fired up about it, aren't you? I'm so excited about this house. In fact, my great friend JP actually introduced me to the people that own the house, and they're your friends.
Yeah, they are my friends.
And we're gonna have before and after. They demolished the whole thing, didn't they? They got rid of the whole thing.
I witnessed this house start from the very beginning when they actually break the ground and build it.
So she saw it.
Surprisingly, they built pretty fast within 1 year.
1 year.
So this is brand new,
Yeah.
starting from the ground.
So since you saw it from the very beginning, what's your favorite part?
My favorite part of this house, I think the natural lighting, really beautiful, very spacious home. Plus, I love the location. It's close to everything. When you invest in this land, you never go wrong. Everything here, you go up in price every time.
We are 13 miles away from DFW Airport, 17 miles away from Frisco, and 30 miles away from Fort Worth. So you're right, we're everything.
Yeah, it's
I
a
love
great
the,
location.
and I love the big trees.
Very nice and peaceful.
Big trees.
And the neighborhood is awesome.
Neighborhood's
Very
beautiful.
beautiful.
I like the amount of houses they're redoing completely, so everything
Yes.
looks brand new around here.
Exactly.
But they kept the trees.
Yes,
Yes.
100%. I grew up in Australia. It's the big fine if you actually take out any trees.
Okay.
So,
So you know.
yeah.
So I grew up in Houston and I love trees. And when I moved to Dallas, it was so sad because there's no trees in Dallas. But you come to this old part of Dallas that we're in right now, it feels like home. It feels amazing. And speaking of home, this feels like home. What do you think about this big old bad boy here? This thing's huge.
Oh, this thing, yeah, you can fit a whole family in here.
Look.
Asian family. We eat everything in the island.
So we put some pillows and a mattress up here is what you're saying.
Oh, that's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Maybe a coffee.
That's how big it is.
It's good for your back. Beautiful.
Good for your mat. So tell us about the house. You were going to share some.
Yeah,
some
I
insight.
just noticed they have some flyer here. They have, it's actually, I'm going to give you the address, by the way. It's 11945 Quincy Lane, Dallas, Texas, 75230. And it's actually 5-bedroom with 7 bathrooms. Can you believe that? Almost 7,000 square foot with the living room, dining room, kitchen, and a bath. And the media room, there's still more to go, is in a huge garage with 6-car garage.
That's insane to think about 6-car garage. It's
And you still have a lot of lands.
Yeah, because California, they don't got 6-car garage out there. My camera person's from California. She's shaking her head. We don't got 6-car garage in California. A 6-car garage in California, you know what they call that? A house. That's a house. Like they would literally live. This is a house here. So do me a favor. We're gonna walk around and show you more of this house. We're excited to show you what it has to offer. The beautiful master bedroom. That's one of JP's favorite parts, so she'll show you that as well.
Yes, I love bathroom and kitchen.
Bathroom,
Even though I
kitchen.
cook.
But then if this is your first time on my channel, hit that subscribe button. Reach out to us. All the information's down in the description. JP and I would love to show you this house and what it can do for you and your family. Let's stay in touch. So now we're gonna show you JP's favorite place of the house right now, but take it away.
For us, we love a lot of things in our bathroom. So check it out. 4 things. You can choose whatever you like. And check out a beautiful standalone bathtub where you can relax and unwind every day. Plus a huge bathroom. This is my favorite bathroom so far. Look at all this. And don't forget, girl's best friend, big closet.
Voila!
Hello.
JP, this thing's ridiculous, the size of this. I love this. I love clothes. I have tons of clothes. I know that we always talk about the woman has more of the closet. I have more of the closet. This place is amazing. Plus, I can sit here if I want to, or I can come over here and say, you know what? I just want to look at my clothes. I just kind of, what do I want to wear Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? Boom, y'all. JP, thanks for showing us this house. So you're having a party, and let's say you got 10 people over. Guess what? 7 can go to the restroom all at the same time. I'm telling you, here in the Metroplex, Dallas-Fort Worth is what we call it. You can get a lot of land, a lot of space for what you can't get in California and Texas. You gotta reach out to me. I wanna show you more homes like this. Let me tell you a bit about the house. 5 bedrooms, 6,856 square feet. You can put a gym in there. There's a room for a gym. They got a movie room. They got stuff everywhere throughout this house. They got a cool feature in the bar area I wanna show you. What I love about this backyard is, yes, you have a beautiful pool, but it has a feature that my house personally has in it, and that is behind us, it's a street, so there's no neighbors. I love that. I don't have to worry about what my neighbors are doing. Are they loud? Are they whatever? Are they mean? Are they rude? Doesn't matter. It's like I have a big forest behind me. It's just a street, that's it. So this house has the exact same thing, which is brilliant. So you can just enjoy however you want to enjoy. We actually talked about jumping in here, but we don't have bathing suits. But we could do whatever we want to because we ain't got no neighbors. We don't care.
Would you like something like this in your backyard, Paul?
Yes, I would. And I don't play a lot of golf, JP, but I would like it just because look how cool it looks, right? And then I could act like I play golf. I could do
nice
some
and
things.
peaceful.
Yeah, we
That's true.
could have some games at Thanksgiving and Christmas and act like we're doing something, but at least I don't have grass growing and getting in my pool.
Yep.
Yeah, baby. We have yet another surprise in this house, JP, and you're excited about it. And she wants to show it to you, so come on in, let's check it out.
Ta-da! Surprise! Let's check it out. Ta-da! When I move in here, it's gonna be plenty of wines. Even though I don't cook, but I fell in love with the kitchen. Because there's so many things that I can imagine myself that I can do here. Or hosting guests coming over. And check out another surprise. Ta-da! I think I would love something small like this to cook. One thing I like about this house, for Asian, we cook a lot, but we don't like to deal with the smell or anything unwanted senses. So normally we have the extra kitchen in our extra kitchen. So this house offers 2 kitchens.
We are currently in the study, and every study, I don't care if it's a luxury house, I don't care what type of house it is, has to have a massive window and it has to be in the front because you have to be like, you gotta look out, you know, as you're doing your work, you're doing your stuff, and you can see the outside. Look at the size of this window. I just wanna go stand beside it. It's as tall as me. It goes from the floor all the way up to here, all the way over. This, my friends, is something you can relax in and get some work done.
Imagine you live in this nice and beautiful high ceiling living room. A lot of space, guys. One thing I like about this house is a lot of natural lighting. Check out the pool. Wherever you're staying at, you can see your pool. Nice and relaxing. Or mini golf. Beautiful, right? And no neighbors.
You enjoyed this video. I know we enjoyed making it. In fact, you got to film stuff I didn't even get to see. Tell me about some stuff that I didn't even get to see. Something about another kitchen?
Yes, for Asian, we love to cook. Everybody love to cook. So we have main kitchen just for all showing. But the main thing that we have is actually cook at the back. And the smart thing about this house is the owner very smart. She designed it beautifully, like a whole full kitchen.
And they didn't even show me, so I gotta watch the video with you to see it because they filmed it without me.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this video. We had a blast putting it together. Reach out to me if you're interested in a different type of luxury home like this. We would love to help you.